Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Kaylilia. Today we are doing a video stretching out the image because I got long nails, so she wanted to know. This is her channel. Please check her videos out, or her channel, and I'll put it inside the link down below in the description. So now I am going to be showing you how I do it. And I'm not ready. How to get it cotton cool. Okay, so these images are short. It would be perfect for this nail, but for this nail it's not. So I'm just gonna stamp over the bare nail. Okay, so we're going with the She Modern black color, and I'm gonna use this image. It's not that long. Zoom in. That's the image here, and I'm gonna do it again. Whoops. So there it is. And let's move this. So I'm not gonna try to remove anything off of it because I'm just showing. So what I do is just place one side down first and then kind of stretch and it's still not long enough. So that's it stretched out. The image is still kind of, distorted. I don't think you can get away from that. I don't think any way you try to, I don't know. So now I'm gonna try this. I don't know why I did that. I didn't mean to do that. Okay. So like that. And I will remove this. Looks like I didn't pick it up right. Okay. So this is a smaller image. And I'm gonna put one side down first, then pull. See, I distorted the image. And then I'm gonna go side to side now, like if you're, I don't know, but I'll just show on here. I don't even know how to explain it. So it's the same with going side to side with the image. Wow, this is kind of hard because it's at the edge. Okay, that didn't work out because I didn't scrape it right. So this would be like this, but I'm going to see if I can stretch it out. So down, see, but it leaves a gap, so I didn't actually do that correctly, but I'm going to do it again on that image, scraping it a different way. Maybe down. So let me go like this. So I don't know, it's just like let me try this image on my thumbnail. So I'm gonna go with this one. So it'd be the same if you're going from this side to this side. That's the best way I can explain. And then we're gonna do this one. And this is short. This image picked up so perfect. Plus I scraped better. I didn't scrape right on the other ones. Okay, so we're gonna stretch this out. And I'm gonna place it down, stretch. See, it's already distorting the image, but you can see how it's stretched out. I mean, I think on my nose it's gonna be messed up already because I have like weird curves to it, but yeah. So let me see if I can do one more. Okay, so I removed this one and this one, and yes, my nails are dirty. I was pulling weeds, and look at this damage. Anyways, we're gonna use this pearl blue stamping, and we're gonna do this one. And I put too much stamping polish. That's a beautiful blue. Oh, I gotta take this off. It looks like I didn't pick up this image right. Oh, I feel like I can't see right. Okay. So that's it. I should have zoomed in. Okay, so now we're gonna do these flowers. I wonder if I can still use this. I'm gonna try. No. Yep. I am able still to use. Although it didn't have enough, but it's okay. going to show it like this because I think this is better. So that's how far I got it. And I'm going to do it with black because it looks like you can't see on my phone. Okay, let's do it on here. So I'm gonna push and stretch. Push. Oh gosh, I messed up. Do it again on the other one. See, fail sometimes. Okay. And I'm gonna take this off. No, can you not do that? Okay. Try this one now. So that's how far I got it. Sometimes I can get it farther, but I feel like now that I'm showing it, it's much harder. It's not actually that hard, but I mean, I don't know how to explain. So that's the best I can do. But yeah, I messed up that one. But yeah, please check out her channel. Well, wow. I'll put her in the description. So that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day and God bless. That's the only problem with doing it this way. You can't see where you're placing it. And the clear ones you cannot spread out like that because then you'll have a broken clear stamper. So that's why I don't do it like this normally. So I'm gonna wipe this off right now. Can't see. But it stretches out way more than, so yeah, let me know what you guys think about which way is better for you guys stretching out images.